It just looks like nothing. It's like a yellow poo. Right, the rain has literally kept us in all day, but we're finally venturing out the house. Just for those of you who didn't see yesterday's vlog, this is the new location. We're on Truckback Lake, which is in Ho Tay area, Hanoi. And we had to move. It's a long story, you'll catch it on the last vlog. But tonight's plan is we're going out to, we're going a little further out into a proper local market where it's all like fresh foods and fruit and veg and stuff like that. So I kind of want to experience a bit more authentic traditional Vietnam, not just like, you know, the kind of neon lights nighttime vibe. I just thought this would be really funny. So it's going to be a bit kind of like grungy, and it's probably flooded everywhere as well. So yeah, we'll go down there, explore what there is to offer, buy some fresh fruits and other foods, try some things as per normal. So without further ado, let's get cracking. We'll go through here. This is where it was this is where it was flooding earlier, if you saw on the Instagram. But this whole place along here was literally like knee deep. But yeah, look, check this out. It's a really, really nice street. Loads of like cafes and banh mi places and things. And yeah, we've got a lake right there. This is like the small lake, and there's a bigger one over the back. So let's go get some cash and then we'll crack on. One of the big issues with like when you get a big storm coming in, so much crap just flies like right into the lake, so it actually gets really littered. And we could see up from the window, there's just, honestly, there's shit everywhere in there, like all sorts of crap. So bit of a shame, because there is like a ton of fish in there as well, so it's not ideal for them. This is by far the quietest we've seen Hanoi so far. I don't know if it's got anything to do with the storm, but I think also as well, we're heading up towards like the like riverside area, which isn't in the center of the city. You've got the big lake where we're staying, Old Quarter's sort of down and off to the east a little bit, and then you've got the river that sort of separates where you kind of come into like the main town. So I think that's why it's a bit more of a sort of local market, because the tourists don't go around there, which should hopefully make it interesting. One thing I have noticed is the locals will just have a piss like anywhere. And we were literally just walking around quite a busy area, and was that guy just hopped off his bike, didn't he? And just got his wang out and just started having a pee right in the middle of the street. Scary looking bloke. I've seen it about 4 times since I've been here. People will wee anywhere here. Dauntingly, we have the cross here. And this is a big busy ass road, and there's no lights or anything, so you're gonna see a classic Vietnamese style crossing in a minute. You nervous? Are you ready? Ah! Experts haven't died yet, so I think this place is just kind of over the wall and up there a little bit. It's got the smell of a local market, I'll tell you that, so I think we're getting closer either way. Aha. You think the rain's coming? Yeah. We've literally just got here as well. Okay, yeah, that looks locally. Whee, sorry mate. Bloody hell. This is effectively my dash cam for when I'm walking around. And, probably a good job I have this. Hello mate. Yeah, I feel like it's just about to start pissing it down with rain. Go through the middle, go through the middle. Get in, inside. Oh shit. Rain, 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 rain. Quick then. Holy f***. Well, I'm glad we made it in, but we're kind of stuck in, but we have a roof. You can hear the thunder. Oh boy. I think we might be hiding out in here for a little while, but we did come to suss out the fruit, and boy, that looks so shiny it could be fake. It's like Snow White's last day. So leaders save the day, we just remembered we have this, but it is partially broken, so I don't know how efficient it will be. Are you ready to brave it, babe? Wow, Mary Poppins. We have the wide angle lens, so she's not letting me in. Brilliant. Half of it's broken. Yeah, thanks, babe. I think that'll do, won't it? Ah, let's go. Oh, that's a tough shift, to be fair. I feel like, what am I doing here? We're just getting in everyone's way. We're just kind of being a nuisance. Oh, I just trod in something again, and it was red. Everywhere here. Wait. Oh, fuck. Sorry, mate. It's okay? Okay. Come on. You need this there? No? What do you mean? Oh yeah, no. It's okay, it's okay. Oh fuck, it's wet again. I don't know what happened. I knocked his stand over. He said things. I tried to apologise. The rain's coming down again. Get back in our little safe zone. This is officially out of comfort zone here.
What you want?
Oh god, I can hear shouting. I thought it was at me then. We're safe, yeah. Oh mate, people are just braving it. You can tell these people are used to these kind of like weather conditions because it's, whoa. I'm guessing you can hear that. Yeah. Oh my god, seeking refuge. Oy, hey. This is going terribly. And we walked. I have no, like, we have no hats or coats. So that one small umbrella.
No rain, like no raining when we are in, but now when we get out, raining.
Yeah. Literally, we had about 3 hours of dry conditions, and then before, I think it's safe to go out now. And then this happens. Never mind. Never mind. What do you want?
Durian.
Durian. I don't like the idea of that. It's just going to stink, isn't it? Well, at least the rain stops so we can try and get some of the durian at the end. How much the durian for 1 kilo? Or per kilo? That's it? You've probably seen this stuff, it just absolutely honks. When you got the camera, you always get the higher prices because they make the sorry mistake of thinking I have money when I'm just a poor man with a fancy camera. Not even that. I'm getting wet, babe. Please. Yeah. Take the gun. Take. Thank you. It's like $3. Like 80,000 per one. 80k per 1 kg. Can we take a small one? Can we have a small one, please? Saying please on translate, just for good manners. Right, are we choosing? You want to choose? The scales are out. I'm stood in a field of durian. Oh, hey, careful. Oh, I nearly got approached then. We're getting a small one. Grandma got saucy for a second. This is the durian check. Okay, I just feel like the time to give me a small. Yes, yeah, that's fine, thanks. Yeah, feel. Oh, come on. Yeah. If this feels like the really authentic version of when they bring the wine out and you go, yes, fantastic, I'll take the bottle. I don't even know what this means, so that's 198. But you know, I have smaller, that's at $8. And I don't want $8 for one. It's $8, babe. Is that what you normally pay?
Yeah.
Translate. So for
No, okay. One smaller.
yeah, you want, yes, please. I'm gonna get out of the way. Yeah, I'm getting out of the way. It's all right. It said just not enough room. I'm not a big bloke, but I'm too big for Vietnam. This stuff's expensive. That's like $8. I know you get the whole fruit, but apparently that is the going rate. I've given the universal thumbs up, so I think this is a bad boy is about to get slashed up. Yeah, chop. So we expect the fruit. Yes, please. Yeah. God bless Google Translate. I need one of those little ear devices where you can speak and then it just translates live for you. That'd be cool. I'd like to try one of those. Brand deal, hint. No thanks.
Okay.
I'm good. All okay, thank you. Come on. That's the one, yeah, come on. I have been saying come on, but I just keep forgetting now. The one time you actually need it. You are now watching a master at work. Honks here, man. absolutely honking. That's how it looks when it comes out. Funny old thing. Kind of all mushy and... I can't believe this stuff gets eaten. You are a freak.
You gonna eat too?
I don't want to.
I want you to try.
You want me to try? So I'll do it for the vlog. Okay. Like, yeah. I've seen people try this. Like I was watching Big Puppy Marshall Exler try this the other day, and he vommed on the side of the street. He had to get off his bike to throw up. Bye bye. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Nice one. There we go. So I'm so cultural. Wow. We are so well cultured, aren't we? Learn one word. There's a lot in this one, yeah. I don't even know what to compare this to. I don't want to annoy her and get in the way, but it just looks like nothing. It's like a yellow poo.
Yellow poo.
Yeah, yellow poo. It looks like a yellow poo.
This is the best food in Asia.
It's like the famous one, isn't it?
Yeah.
You guys. Like a royal fruit. I think it was the king eats it, right? We've lost our translator as well now, so Grandma has no technology. I think 152. Never watch your missus pay for anything.
This one, right?
Grandma's going into the archives to pull out the wonga. Sorry guys, this baller only has big bills. Right then. The quest continues. I'm not gonna lie, babe, I think this market is pretty packed up. It's not, I just trod on whatever the fuck that is. This is dirty and hectic, I'm not gonna lie. It's places like this where I get well out of my comfort zone, where it stinks. It's all mucky and dirty. I don't know what's going on. I don't think there's anything in there. Well, in we go. Let's just see what we can find. Just for a bit of reference, the time is currently, I've got it on UK time, so it says 4:45, but that's 10:15 because we're 6 hours ahead. They do have pomegranate there. So I'm not going to complain that things are all shutting up, because why would they be open at, you know, like 10:30? So it's just a little bit. Yeah, but the fresh fruit, surely the fresh fruit you want at the start of the day. That's massive. Yeah, I'll hop to the side, babe, let old matey through. Doing a great job, mate. Look at the strength on that. That was nice and patronising, wasn't it? Struggling people seen, about 8. How many times have I offered to help? 0. Oh, got the crop top. Auntie doing it as well. They're all just selling the same thing, look.
Yeah.
We stick out like sore thumbs in here. I'm getting a lot of who's that twat with the camera looks. Yeah, thanks.
Where are we going?
I don't know. I thought you wanted to lead it today, huh? That is such a slog, by the way. Like, you won't see it, that's well uphill. Can you write the price, please? Otherwise, I have no idea what I'm paying. 50, but that'll be, 50,000. Yeah, 50, babe.
Yeah.
50. No, that's 1,000. 50. So 50. You can give her this and then get the change back. Come on. I always say we're not multitaskers. It's so hard to hold a camera, translate, do all this. There's your change back. Is it okay? The 220? Yeah. We did it again. We keep paying for getting our food and then walking off. Come on. Thank you, Vietnamese granny. You want to pee?
Oh, cheap, right?
That's really cheap. That's
That's
really cheap. Yeah. Right, we get a taste test them just to make sure that they're actually any good. Go on then. Because if it's sweet, that's not sweet, is it? No. No good? Go on. fuck is that? But I don't eat strawberries out of the UK. It was cheap and it was still a waste of money. You can see actually there's quite a lot of debris out on the streets because obviously when it floods, shit just goes everywhere. So, I mean, I wouldn't say it's been dirty while we've been around Hanoi. It's not like the cleanest of places, but I think the storm that hit us badly today has just left things kind of all about everywhere really. Just kind of, it's looking very mucky. What are they doing? A spot of fishing, look. Have that. I mean, there is a ton of fish in that lake. I saw them earlier. I wonder if he's allowed to do that or not. Like and subscribe.